Hello, friends. It's Phil. I've got a very little task for you, my friends. So, I've got this very long term strategy for all gardening that is being built from 2023 into the future. Someone recently said that to build a business, a brand that you really get right takes about 10 years. So, this is first year. This is year one. Even though all gardening's been around for years, or on and off for years in various different skies. I had 6 years break in between the previous period and now period. I had a little 6-year break. I'll tell you about that another day. Or actually, I probably talked about it in the previous podcast if you want to listen to some of the 227 podcasts I've done so far. But look, today I have a little task for you. I'm thinking long term, thinking long strategy here. And I would like to develop an email database in order that I can have a relationship with you and others on a long-term basis, a more kind of a brand storytelling basis, not on a transactional basis. I don't want an email address in order that I can send you stuff to buy. That's not what I'm thinking. What I'm thinking is, and if I reflect slightly on the last 19 years, I built email databases before, but I haven't built them with a long-term strategy in mind in the beginning. I built big databases for all gardening in London, not much use to me at the moment. And I've built for other businesses very big databases. But in both of those cases, I hadn't really considered the long term, the long strategy, the long relationship, the fact that I'm going to be here on this microphone every day, Monday to Friday, forever, for the rest for the rest of my days. And what I wanted to do is try and get some type of relationship going on email, because the benefit of email, similarly to this podcast or blog or video, however you're hearing it, is it only costs me time to produce it. And similarly with email, it only takes me time to put it together. I can actually send emails for free. So I'd like you to do me a favor, and in return, my friends, I'm willing to give a gift card, a £250 gift card to spend on something that All Gardening has to offer today, or something that All Gardening may have to offer in the future. Now, there's a thought, isn't there? So, today, the whole goal is, my friends, to join the All Gardening newsletter, to join the All Gardening customer database, customer/future customer/database. And if you do, you may be in for a chance to win £250. Now, if you're outside the country and you're thinking, well, that's not much use to me, Phil. Well, actually, it's a digital gift card. And actually, there are going to be some things that I will be shipping internationally. One is the All Gardening Cafe yearbook, which is available to buy already. But you can spend your gift card there. And you can buy a number of books to give to other people. Or you can buy some other things that will come along in the future. But look, all I'm asking for today is a little sign from you that you may help me grow the business. Not today. We're not talking about, hey, I want to sell you something. No. What we're talking about today is building a relationship, a long-term relationship with All Gardening and a long-term relationship with me, Phil Argent, the founder of All Gardening. I want you to I want you to invest in All Gardening and help me spread the word by giving you an email every now and then, once a month at the moment that goes out. Just gives you a bit more of an insight into how and what we're doing or I'm doing with All Gardening and how and what we're looking at and how things are going. It's a story, really. How to build a business, how to build a brand in full view of the world, which is what we're doing here. So, in summary, my friends, helping businesses grow is the job. Helping All Gardening grow is the job. And in return, you are in with a chance to win £250 digital gift card. I think it's worth helping out. I'm kind of investing in you if you invest in me, kind of thing, if you get a drift. Anyway, that's all I'm thinking today. I'm off now to go and see a friend who's growing a business. Have a chat about stuff. Anyway, I'll catch you soon. Thanks for listening. As always, take care, dear friends. Ta-da, bye.